Hi traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders Weekly Forex Outlook. Hope you had a good week of trading and hope you are taking care of yourself. Remember, trading needs your discipline, needs your patience. Okay, guys? Do not overtrade. Do manage your trades well. Don't panic if your trades goes against you. Or don't. This is our big advice here at Rev Daily Traders. Don't follow candles, okay? Follow the structure, follow the wave, or follow the direction that we gave you, and with discipline, guys, okay? And it needs more patience. Remember that, okay, guys? Right, we're going to start with gold on daily time frame, okay? Right, on daily time frame, what we're expecting. Last we were expecting the price to correct around here, then for us to take the drop, okay? So the price didn't correct here. It did give on lower time frame. I'll show you another push, okay? So we were not taking that buy, okay? Because we are focusing on this down moves only. We're expecting any kind of sell setup that we're going to get on gold. Then I'm going to show you on lower time frame 4 hour, what to expect, okay? If you took those buy, good for you guys, okay? There was a buy here. There was a buy on lower time frame 15 minutes here, even here, okay? For you to manage the trade. Right now at the current state, we are not looking for any buy. We are still biased to downside on gold, okay? Right, at the current state, let this to push here, come and take this zone, break the high here. Then we'll be expecting an impulse here, an aggressive one, similar to this one, okay? Then we'll get that correction for you to take the trade. We are still biased to downside on gold, guys. We'll be looking for down moves only on gold. So you'll be looking for sell setup. Any sell setup that you're going to get on gold, you should take it, okay? Then if you are still looking for buy, then you'll be looking for a correction here for one more buy, okay? To respect this trend line, you'll be expecting that one more buy, because remember, we still have that fight on Ukraine and Russia, okay? So the market will either correct here with the bigger time frame, then push for one more up move, but will not consider this up move. We are still looking for that drop on gold, guys, okay? Then we'll go to a lower time frame to see how the market is unfolding and what to expect the coming week, okay? The market can push up until take or test this roof, then look for a down move here, okay? Then a correction. If you see that correction will take us to downside to come and break this floor, even this one, okay? We expect a big drop on gold, guys. There's a big drop that is coming, but if you see that correction structure, then you should consider that buy this correction, okay? Expect a buy here to manage, put your stop behind, take a buy here, watch for the trade, okay? So we are not advising you to take that buy, but if you are more experienced, we can take that buy if you see that correction for an up move, okay, guys? Right, we'll go to our next pair. That will be silver. Right, on silver, it's similar to gold. We'll start on daily time frame and see the whole structure, how we are anticipating this move, okay? Right, if you remember also on silver, we were looking for a correction here for us to take that drop. So that correction didn't happen. It also pushed aggressively to upside, okay? So now what we're going to expect, if you know the patterns or strategy of wave, we've got this impulse, okay? We've got our A, we've got our B here. Then our B didn't break this flow, okay? Then it pushed up again. Then we'll be expecting that break of this roof, okay? For us to look for the down move setups, okay? If you can check on our RSI Our RSI also gives us a sell setup. Okay, we'll be expecting that drop to happen on silver. So the coming weeks we'll be expecting that drop, guys. Okay, you should watch that drop. If we are expecting the buy, expect a correction here, then one more up move. Okay, come and take this roof, even this roof. Okay, then still will be not out of structure. We'll be looking for our down move here. We'll consider that buy if there's a good management here. Okay, risk management, guys. Remember also we should consider the risk management. Okay, guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Okay, and do watch our video up until the end, and like and comment below, guys. Okay, and do share our video if you like what we are doing. We'll go to a lower time frame on daily and see what we'll be expecting from next week. Okay, guys, right, is what I'm telling you, that you can get another correction here for you to take that buy. There was a buy, but we are not interested on this buy. Okay, we're watching this double top, guys. I will show you this double top that we were watching. This double top for us to go down here, even break here, then get a correction for us to take that drop. So we didn't get those setups. Okay, we are not wrong on our trading, but we were anticipating that drop that we got wrong. Okay, we should accept that we are wrong, guys, but the market, we don't control the market, guys. So watch this correction. If it's going to happen here, then you can take that buy to give you one more roof there. Okay, so we'll be biased to downside on silver again, guys. We'll be looking for that drop on silver. Even here, if we can check, we've got a tiring market. It shows that it's coming down soon. Okay, right, we'll be expecting that impulsive move, a correction, then a drop. If you don't take this correction, you'll either wait for this to break the big trend. Okay, then you can wait for that bigger correction, then you can take the trade. Remember, on trading we need patience always, guys. So if I'm telling you to wait for this move and this wave, it's going to need you a patient. Okay, there are many trades set up that you can get to other pairs. Okay, so we'll go to our next pair, that will be DXY. Right, on DXY we'll go to a lower time frame and bigger time frame that we look for our direction. Okay, remember on DXY we're expecting a big drop on DXY, guys. Let me show you the big drop that we are anticipating on DXY. Right, we've got this impulse, we've got this correction. We'll be expecting that drop, guys. Don't miss this drop. Don't miss this drop, guys. Okay, so every time the market gives you a new roof, we'll be looking for a sell setup every time. Okay, then we'll go to a lower time frame to see what to expect on DXY. We'll go to a 4-hour time frame, and remember, the flags or patterns or corrections, you should wait for 1 hour and 4 hour, guys. Okay, the lower time frame are the ones that you're going to get from a lower position. Okay, lower price or expensive price. Okay, guys, so we'll be expecting the move on 1 hour to happen, guys. Okay, we'll be expecting the aggressive move, then a correction here for us to take the trade. Put your stop behind the impulse, then you can take that drop. Expect it to break this trend line. Okay, I showed you the bigger time frame what we are expecting on DXY. We're expecting a bigger drop on DXY, guys. Okay, I will show you on EUR USD the bigger picture. Then we'll go to a Euro USD. We'll start on daily and see how the structure is behaving. Okay, right. We're expecting the price to come slowly here on lower time frame and give us an impulse correction. Then we can take the buy. Don't miss the buy, guys. The buy is coming. The buy is building there. Okay, it needs the right price. And remember, we still have this fight that's going on Russia and Ukraine. Okay, right. I'll show you this price, and I'll show you how we're going to trade on Ref Daily Traders. Okay, I'll show you how this is going to build up there. Okay, we'll take our bar and show you how we're expecting this move to happen. We're expecting this kind of move on Euro USD. Okay, you can give us a good thumbs up if you see what we are seeing here. Okay, right. This is what we are seeing at the current state, guys. Okay, we'll be expecting this kind of move, the big buy that is coming. Okay, the big buy can break even this roof and make a new roof. Okay, so if you can check here, we've got an impulse down, impulse up, then a correction, then for us to go down. We've got an impulse here, impulse here, impulse, then we've got the correction that we are in, that we are building in, that we want those buy setup to build there. Okay, so at the current state, we'll be looking for your buy setup around this floor. Okay, for you to take that buy. Don't miss the buy, guys. Remember, don't miss that buy. It's coming. We don't see any kind of sell at the current state. Okay, so on lower time frame, on Euro USD, we'll go to a 4-hour time frame and check how the market is unfolding there. Okay, right. If you were taking those drop, good for you guys. Hope you're going to manage your trade well. Okay, but expect a reversal around this zone. Okay, we'll be expecting a reversal for us to take that impulse, a correction, then we're going to take the trade here on our correction for us to buy. Okay, we're expecting a rise on Euro USD. Okay, so at the current price, there's nothing you can do, but if you are in a sell, to manage a trade or take a good profit here. Okay, because there was a good sell here, a good sell here. Okay, then this gave us a 1, 2, 3 for you to take that drop. Then that drop, it's finished, it's almost finished here. Okay, then you look for up move or reversal patterns around that flow. So do trade with care on Euro USD. We'll go to our next pair. Then our next pair will be pound dollar. Right, we'll go to a bigger time frame and see the bigger structure, guys. Okay, right. Remember, we're looking for that buy here. Okay, for that buy to give us a complete structure, that buy, then a down move for us to go up again. Okay, then we didn't get that buy, but there was a sell set up around here. Okay, then from here we took our profit for us to get that buy. Remember, on our last video, we did say we're looking for that buy to complete this pattern. Okay, so now what we're going to do, what next? Watch for a reversal around here. Okay, will be biased to upside on pound dollar. So we'll go to a lower time frame, 1 hour, and see how we setting up that price or setups. Okay, we'll let this after breaking this flow. Okay, after breaking this flow, we've got a new flow. Okay, then we'll let a impulse here, aggressive one, a correction here, guys. Okay, then you can take the buy, expect another bigger correction around there for you to take the buy. Okay, then expect this zone to be tagged We don't see any sell setup at the current state, but if you are looking for a drop on pound dollar, then what you need to do, you need this to correct for you, okay? To correct under this flow. Then you'll be watching for another down move. But this will be an ending structure on a bigger time frame, such as 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, okay? Then if we get that correction around here, we'll look for a drop around these zones, okay? If we get that correction, we'll be looking for a drop here, a short drop that will be looking at pound dollar. So we'll get a drop first if you get a correction, or if you get that impulse and aggressive move here, we'll look for that correction for you to take that buy, okay? We'll be biased to upside on pound dollar. Then let's go to our next pair. Our next pair will be NZD USD. This is what we traded on our trading room, guys, okay? Remember last time on our weekly outlook, I was giving you that buy, okay? I said look for that buy, then we'll be watching close here for our sell setup, okay? Right, at the current state, we'll be looking for this price or this zone to be tagged. Then from here, we'll be looking for our sell setups on NZD USD, okay? Then if you don't get those sell setup around that zone, then we'll expect the market to correct here. That will be a bigger correction for you to take that buy, okay? We'll be looking at two things to complete this running flag, then a down move. Then if we don't see a sell setup there, we'll be expecting that bigger correction around here for us to take that buy, okay? That buy is not going to be a big buy, but it can come and take this roof, okay? Not to break that roof. So we'll be looking at the price to come and take on expose this zone. Then we can look for a drop again on pound NZD USD. Okay, guys. So on lower time frame, how are you going to trade next week? We'll go to a 4 hour. On 4 hour, expect the price to push slowly here, a correction for you to continue and come and take this roof, okay? Then from here, if we get a corrective structure here, we'll be looking for that buy, okay? Then if you don't get that corrective structure around this, after taking that zone, then we'll expect an impulse here, a correction, then we can take that drop, okay? There's a big drop that will come if you get such correction here, okay? Then if getting that correction, you should manage your trade well, because this can correct again and come and expose this flow. Then this will be your correction for you to take the buy, okay? Then for you to take those sells, you should be managing your trade well. We'll be expecting for you to break here, then a correction here for you to take that drop, okay? It's what we are expecting on NZD USD. Then even on lower time frames such as 1 hour, you'll watch those correction here, okay? There were good buys here, guys, okay? We took a buy here, we took a buy above there, then we got the pullback. Now it's pushing, okay? It's pushing for our target, that target above, okay? Then from there, we'll be looking for this to happen. If you don't get this, then expect an impulse, a correction for you to take that drop, okay? So do trade well on NZD USD. We'll go to our next pair, that will be Aussie USD. Remember again, guys, we're looking for buy on Aussie USD. Maybe some others were saying we are drunk by looking for a buy, okay? We're seeing this structure, guys, okay? The structure. We're seeing the structure for us to go down. So from here, we'll be looking for our sell setup or a correction above here to come and break this roof, okay? So do watch for drop or a correction on bigger time frames such as day. Then we'll go to a 1 hour time frame. Okay, then from here we'll let the market to push, come and take our pink zone, then an impasse correction, then you can take that drop. Okay, if not, after taking this zone, we'll expect a correction here. Okay, a correction for you to buy there. Okay, two things that we are watching on Aussie USD. Then we'll go to our next pair. That will be dollar CAD. On dollar CAD, we're biased to upside, guys. Nothing has changed on dollar CAD. Then we'll go to a lower time frame where we're going to trade or look for trades. Okay, there were buys here after this pattern. Then we expected this to break aggressively and give correction around here. Okay, then we didn't get that correction around this zone for us to continue upside, but we continue with our trade. Okay, because we took our buy from this floor. So now what you need to expect this to stay longer, come and take this floor, then you can take that buy. Okay, so we're still biased to upside on dollar CAD.